Okay, so in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. Like when you open a text file, it asks you to run in terminal instead of just opening. Like for example, we have this file, and when I double click it to open it, it asks me to run in terminal instead of just opening in the text editor. For that we need to go to edit, we need to go to then preferences, then we need to go to behavior, then we need to come here executable text files, and we need to click here from ask each time to view executable text files when they are opened. So we can close this. Okay, it's done. So whenever next time you will double click a text file, it will behave like a text file instead of behaving like an executable file. That's it, we are done.